Hi, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to remove existing email account on our Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To remove our account, we have to go to settings here, then we are looking for our accounts, yes, accounts and backup options here, and at the top we have manage accounts. Let's tap it once, and here we have our email, our Google email account. To remove this account from the phone, we have to tap it once, and here we have our option, remove account. Yes please, remove, and now it's gone. We have no accounts connected to this phone. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.